Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome. Today marks a significant milestone for Adamco as we officially open this newly relocated branch to better serve our valued farmers and partners in the community. This ribbon-cutting ceremony symbolizes not just the start of operations, but also the promise of growth, innovation, and success that we share with all of you. At this moment, I would like to invite our distinguished guests to come forward and join us for the official ribbon-cutting ceremony.
Tapos namin kinagagalak at kinararangal ang inyong pagdalo sa makasaysayang araw na ito na formal na pagbubukas ng ating tindahan dito sa Haro, Iloilo. So alam naman po natin na relocated po ito. Nag-start po ang ating Haro branch last 2013. So almost 11 years na po tayo. So mag-12 years na po tayo this 2025. Ang araw na ito ay isang mahalagang tagumpay na para sa aming kumpanya habang pinapalawak namin ang aming serbisyo sa komunidad ng Iloilo.
The managers, the directors, and the important personalities welcomes each and every one of us to this store. We now invite and welcome our Lord Jesus Christ to reside within each and every one of us. For the greater glory of God and the sanctification of mankind in the service, not just of the Filipino people, but every person who comes here. Kaya walang pinipili at pinaglilingkuran ang lahat.
Salamat sa lahat na nandito at nagpapasalamat din ako sa Adamco na nabigyan kami ng invitation na mapunta dito. Sa karangalan po ma'am sa Municipal Agriculture Office ng Saraga na mapabilang sa mga invited guests ng Adamco.
Naobserbahan ko po sa Ada Boss, maganda siya talaga gamitin kasi yung sa pest ba, paghalo mo sa palay, hinahalo namin yan bago is direct seeding. Mga 30 minutes before mag-direct seeding, nakahalo na lahat. Ang isang botelya is good for 1 hectare. Tapos, kahit ma-delayed ang paggamit mo ng fertilizer, green pa talaga po yung palay. Maganda talaga ang Adabos kasi naranasan na po namin. Tapos yung sa peste, hindi dinadapo ng peste. Parang matagal si Ada po ng peste.
I wish to congratulate all of you for the job well done. Hindi lang tayong Adamco family. Salamat sa lahat. This is very successful joint efforts of our all Adamco family. This is a challenge to our region and branch. Tingin ko ay lalong to make our work better. We give you a very nice branch that you could push to the limits.